before one and the after one. Nowadays, these types of photos are trending every social media platform. It's very easy guys, just watch the video till the end, let's start. To edit photo like this, just open ChatGPT app. After opening ChatGPT app, you will see this interface. Now click on this plus symbol and click on photos. Now just select the photo you want to edit. Now select front face photo to get good results. Now tap on Ask ChatGPT and just paste the prompt I have mentioned in the comment section, or you can just take the screenshot of the video and copy this prompt. Okay, now just click on send. It's loading. You guys, if you're watching our video that haven't liked, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, then do it guys. It motivates me a lot to make more videos for you. So don't forget to visit and join our Telegram and WhatsApp group for more prompts like this. And here's our final result. To save the picture, just tap on the photo and click on this download symbol. Thanks for watching guys.